Well, we're back again here in the garage just to get the car ready to take it to Gunnedah on Saturday night. There's not a whole lot to do. We're just going to check the engine. After the heats last week at Tamworth, it sort of revved a bit hard as I drove it back in, so I was going to see if we can figure out what I was doing. That it come good again the other day, of course, once we got home. And that's about all we've got to do, I think. Oh, the oil light was playing up, so I'll see if we can figure out what's going with that. And there's one rivet needs changing the front bumper bar. I said we don't have to fix the bumper, we don't really, but there's one rivet to do. I got a couple of stickers might stick on the car, and that should have us ready for Saturday night for Gunnedah. Right, having a quick look at it, I think we found the problem before we even started. Focus on there. Last week we had the air cleaner off to clean it up, but we also had an issue with the wiring here for the temperature sensor, and when it's been put back in, it's fallen down here amongst the idle speed motor controls, and I'd say it's just been affecting the old speed motor. So we'll figure out a way of attaching that over there somewhere. I've got the cover down for that, can't do it one-handed, and that should sort out our revving problems, I hope. So there we go, we've put some tape and some cable ties on these here that will route these wires away from the idle speed motor, and that should hopefully be our issue. We'll get a few tests over the next few days before we go, and we'll find out the track for sure, because that's when they're probably going to show up, as we get the track. But for now, I think we've got that sorted. And yeah, we'll start and see how it sounds. You're all happy there today, so it's one of the things, just got to leave it, see how it goes, and go from there. It's probably not a huge issue that revs a bit hard coming off the track. You just sound like a bit of a tool, but rather than that, it's all good. Righto, let's get some more done. Right, give the car a bit of wipe down. I'll put a sticker on here. The other side has John Lodge water cartage on there, and I haven't got a spare. It's one of those stickers, and I haven't got any white material at the moment, so the left hand side is the more important side because that's where the photos get taken. So I've got a Dave TV sticker here, I might just use to fill up that gap. Let's see how this goes. There we go. I'd normally use white, but I haven't got any white at the moment, so just put a bit of grey on there. Forget key, maybe do like a YouTube logo sort of thing there, just to put out as a YouTube channel. I'll stick on there anyhow, bit of self promotion. As always, we need to get more subscribers to help the algorithm out, so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Dave TV, channel 95 on YouTube. Right, I got one to go on the boot lid. Put that just about there, the outside on this one. That's okay. Think about the boot lids here, I haven't got anything at the moment, but years ago I got given an EA Falcon from the local wreckers at Curry, and all he wanted was his name on the boot lid, because the theory was, and that probably is a good theory, that as you drive through the track, everybody following you up the highway reads the booklet of the car. So he wanted the Budgie Wreckers sticker seen on the back. So anyone that follows up to the track saw his name on the car. So we'll put a Day TV sticker on there and everyone can see that. For now, that will do. How you going over the humps there, but from a mile away it looked fine. There we go. About that car from Budgie Records, this is the actual door off it. It was an EA Falcon. Ended up getting it for free off them. This is the first year we had it that had this door on it, because the year before I'd won the club championship at Gunnedah, and I don't know if it was even legal at the time, but back in the old days in Newcastle they used to hold numbers 1, 2 and 3 for the 1, 2 and 3 of the club championship. And you know, I thought it was pretty cool how they used to do that, so I figured I'll just go put number 1 on the door and see what happens. No one said anything, so I ran number 1 on the door for a year. Right, another sticker to do is the Gunnedah Speedway one for the back bumper bar. We replaced this bumper bar in off-season, hadn't had a chance to put another on there yet. It's still scraped up anyhow. But I figured soon we're actually going to Gunnedah Speedway this weekend. It's a good time to replace it. People, that used to be a theory, you drive into the track, people will see in the back of the car Gunnedah Speedway, and I think, oh yeah, that's where they're heading. So one stage there we used to do pretty much all the racing there, but it's been, they went back in the number of meetings a bit this year, so haven't been there as often as we normally would. But we're going to this week, so we'll get this fixed up. I think that's the middle. These bolts could be anywhere. So yeah, people will know where we're heading on Saturday morning when they see us drive up the highway. There goes one that side as well. As you can see, the numbers need to redo on some stage. We're going to that Speedway sign still not too bad on this side. The other side got wiped out. The Farrelly sign could do with a redo, so in the off season I'll have to get some white sticker stuff in. We've got Craig Davis sticker, and the John Lodge water cartage, the Dirt Track Angel one, it's a proper printer sticker. But in the off season we'll have to get some white in and fix the numbers up and do the other side of the match. But for now we'll go with what we got. In all reality there's only a few more races left in the year, isn't it? In the end of March, or start of March. There's 2 more at Tamworth, 1 at Gunnedah this week, and we'll see what else we can find to do before the season finishes. Yeah, this week's bump bar repair is a pretty small one. There's one rivet sort of got pulled out, so we'll get in there. Sharp drill bit would help. There we go. More the wall kill rust. like I bought one. Depending on where you buy it from. Well, that's pretty much it for this week, I think. The next step is, well, today's Tuesday, so we'll load the car up on, say, Thursday afternoon and give everything a bit of double check then, but I think otherwise we're good to go for Gunnedah on Saturday night. As always, make sure to like the video, make any comments and suggestions, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye.